Hello future hackers! In today's video, I'll show you how to create the iconic matrix style effect in Kali Linux. Let's start from scratch, including installation and customization. First, open your terminal. If you don't have CMatrix installed, type this command to get started. Enter your Kali password. Now for the fun part, simply type CMatrix and hit enter. Your terminal now looks straight out of the matrix. Pretty cool, right? Press Q anytime to exit the matrix effect and return to the terminal. Want bolder, more intense characters? Use this command. It makes the code rain even more dramatic. Press Q anytime to exit the matrix effect and return to the terminal. Want faster code rain? Try this command. The lower the number, the faster the animation. And here's where things get really interesting. Combine both speed and bold effects with. Now you have a high-speed, bold matrix style effect. Alright, now let's take it to the next level with some color magic. You can turn your matrix effect into a stunning rainbow by using Lolcat. First, install Lolcat with this command. Once it's installed, type this command and hit enter. And there you have it, a vibrant, colorful code rain effect. How cool is that? That's it for today's hack. Now you know how to customize your Kali Linux terminal with bold effects, high-speed animations, and even rainbow colors. Stay curious and keep hacking responsibly.